Okay, y'all, we're going to do another hair examining for Kathy Westerman and Bigfoot World and her group. This is some hairs that Kathy took off of a fence on some private property where she found a nice footprint. So we're going to take a look at this hair and examine it. Alright, so let's get her gloves on. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so I'm going to bring the camera over closer. Alright. Alright, hair from Kathy's fence. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way. And when we're done here, I'll get this back to Kathy. Alright, can you see that? Alright, so just looking at them with the eyes here. That looks similar to human hair, but a little bit thicker. So these are a couple, one of them is pretty long. Alright, so first let's look at them with the, alright, so I'm bringing up the camera on the laptop. And then we're going to plug in the digital microscope. Okay, and I'm going to hit record. Okay, so we're recording on the digital microscope to the laptop. Okay, so we're recording on the digital microscope to the laptop. So I'm going to move this around a little and okay, so this is the black vine moss. Here we go. So this is the black vine moss. It really looked like hairs too. This stuff can really fool you. Alright, so I'm going to move this around a little and try to look at the ends here. Okay, so this is the black vine moss. Okay, so right here. Alright, here we go. So this is the black vine moss. It really looked like hairs too. This stuff can really fool you. Alright, so you can see right here where it's twisted a little there. And then it's got odd shapes to it. There we go. See how it twists and it flattens out there, and so this is a black vine moss. So I know it's disappointing when you find hairs like this that you think are real hairs, and you find them with other evidence, like you found these with footprints. See how it twists and it flattens out there, and so this is a black vine moss. So I know it's disappointing when you find hairs like this that you think are real hairs, and you find them with other evidence, like you found these with footprints. And then these really fool you. They fooled me a lot when I first started doing this research. Alright. So I'm going to put these back in the bag here, and now we know what they are. So I was going to look at these with the digital microscope, the compound microscope, and I was going to use the nail polish again too to make, with the slides, to make a cast of the hair. So this is not hair, so this is the black vine moss. So this stuff can really fool you too. I did a lot of research on this when I first started finding it, and I was trying to make sure that they were hairs. And I've had a real hard time finding the name of this, what it's called. It's just like a type of mushroom type vine. Okay, so that's back in there. I'm gonna give that back to Kathy. But I found the name one time. Somebody shared it, and I copied it down, and I shared it, and now I can't find it. And I've looked and looked again, trying to Google it and search for it, and I can't find it again. But it's like a type of mushroom. I thought at first it was a type of a lichen. So I thought at first it was some type of a lichen or something like that. Some type of plant material. So it's actually a type of a mushroom, but it grows in a vine. And I've tried Googling it and searching for it a lot, and I can't find it again. But there's a name for it. It's just trying to find it again. But that stuff will really fool you. I did a lot of research on it, and testing the strength of it, seeing how it broke, and testing it with the lighter, and looking at it with the microscope. And it's that's mainly what I call it, is a black vine moss. Although I think it's not really a moss, it's really a like a mushroom type thing. Because all the kind of moss and stuff that I could find, nothing looked like it. Nothing looked the same. And then, like I said, that one person shared something to me that one time, and it was titled a mushroom of some type of mushroom vine, and when I looked at that and looked into it, that's what it was, and it was the exact same thing. Alright, so I know that's disappointing to look for hairs like that, and I was all set up here too, ready to look at it with both microscopes and do a cast of it and examine that with the microscope, like I did before. But we'll find more hairs, and Kathy will find more hairs. There's more out there that to be found. That was a really good find, the ones on the tires. So y'all go back and look at that video and watch that. They had a really good find there with those hairs there that were snagged onto a tire that was way out there in the woods. And I'm going to do some more hair examining too coming up before long. I've got more I want to look at now too, since I got the compound microscope. So I'll be doing more research like that as well. Alright, so thank y'all for watching.